In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Instagram to Wix website. To get started, you will need to be editing your Wix site because the Instagram content has to be added directly inside the Wix editor. Open your Wix editor and make sure you can see the main editing screen along with the left sidebar options. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct page, since you will be placing the Instagram feed where you want it to appear on your website. Now you will add the app that brings Instagram content into your Wix site. On the left sidebar, look for App Market. Click on App Market to open the space where you can search for Wix apps and integrations. Once the App Market panel is open, use the search field to find the Instagram feed app. Type in Instagram feed and then wait for the results to appear. When you see the Instagram feed option, click Add to Site. This action installs the app and places it into your website environment, so you can connect it to your Instagram account next. After you add the app, Wix may place the Instagram element onto the page, or it may prompt you to interact with the element. Next, you will connect your account, because the app needs permission to display your Instagram content. Look on your page for the Instagram app element that was added. It is usually visible as a widget or placeholder inside the editor canvas. Click the Instagram app element on your page so that its settings appear. At this point, you will find the connection option inside the element settings. Look for Account Settings and select it. When you choose Account Settings, you should see a Connect button or a connection flow that starts the authorization process. Click Connect to begin linking your Instagram profile to the Wix app. Now you will follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Wix will guide you through the login and permission steps. If you are prompted to log in to Instagram, enter your credentials in the Instagram login window, and then authorize the connection when prompted. The goal here is to grant Wix access so it can fetch and display the Instagram feed on your site. As you complete the authorization, watch for a confirmation that the Instagram account is connected successfully. Once connected, you can usually proceed to customize how the feed appears, but the key point for this tutorial is that the connection step is complete. If you see any updates or loading indicators, give them a moment to finish, since the feed may need time to populate with your recent posts. When the connection is done and the feed appears, take a quick look at your page layout in the editor. Make sure the Instagram feed sits where you expect and that it looks properly within the design. If the element is not visible yet, zoom slightly or reposition the widget so that it is clearly placed on the page. This helps confirm that you are ready for visitors to see the Instagram content when they open your site. Finally, once you are satisfied with placement and the feed is displaying correctly, you are ready to publish or preview the site. Use the Wix preview option to confirm that the Instagram feed loads as intended. This step matters because it verifies the connection and ensures the feed behaves properly outside the editor. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.